Buongiorno a tutti! Welcome back to my little kitchen in Lecce in the south of Italy. My name's Francesco, and as you may know, I'm Sicilian, and today's idea is based on one of our traditional recipes from back home, which is made using lemon leaves. What they do in our little town is they take the leaves and coat them in a mixture of slivered almonds, raisins and sugar with a little honey mixed in. And what happens after you bake these for a short time is that they become brittle and you can eat the whole thing, leaf included. It's a wonderful flavor. What I'm going to do is I'm going to elaborate on this and add some more toppings to add more color and make them look more beautiful. And yes, they are more delicious. I'm going to add some chopped pistachio, some candied orange and lemon peel, some candied cherries for some color, some coconut flakes and oatmeal so that you have a little bit more bulk and more to eat. Just a couple of these after a dinner if you want something light as a dessert. Absolutely fantastic. Especially now with New Year coming, you'll be able to wow your friends with these as long as you can get those lemon leaves. So I'm going to get started now. They're only going to take 10 minutes in the oven, actually 11. They always say 11 minutes, not 10 and not 12. That's the exact amount of time that you need to get them crispy and still maintain the green color of the leaf. So if you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up, click on the link down below and follow me for more. Let's cook. For today's recipe you are going to need lemon leaves, oatmeal, candied orange and lemon peel, candied cherries, honey, sugar, slivered almonds, chopped pistachio, coconut flakes and raisins. But you can substitute any of these toppings with other nuts or dried fruits you may prefer.